I just got multiple $20 payments straight into my Wise account overnight while I was sleeping. If you are looking for a simple way to make money online, this might be the easiest place to start. Hey guys, it's Dan Froelke, and I've been getting this question a lot over the years. They say, hey Dan, what is the easiest, most drop-dead easiest way to make money online? Now, I'm not talking about thousands of dollars per month or even tens of thousands per month, okay? We're talking about $20 per day, $40 per day, or even $80 per day, all right? I'm talking about how the average everyday person with no experience can just make a little bit of money online every single day. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. Now, this is actually a little known, brand new method that nobody knows about, and I know you're going to love it. It's a very easy method to do. You don't have to create your own website, your own products, and you can easily do this without any experience whatsoever. And I'm going to show you how to do that step by step in this tutorial. Now, can you make thousands of dollars per month with this method? Yes, you can. It's got to work a lot harder, scale it up, be very consistent. But you can definitely make a little bit of money each and every day by watching this tutorial showing you how to get started. All right, so let's jump into this video. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel so you'll know when my next video comes out. So right now, I want to show you the easiest method that I know how right now to make a little bit of extra money every single day. All right, let's get started. So last week, I joined this brand new little known system called the viral $20 Wise Machine. And I've been receiving $20 instant payments straight into my Wise account, oftentimes multiple times per day. And in this video, I'm going to show you real payment proof that this is working not only for me, but others as well. What this system is, how it works, and how you can get started with absolutely no experience whatsoever. Let's start out with the proof. These are actual $20 payments that hit my Wise account after joining the system. And these are instant payments. No waiting, no middleman, because this is a member-to-member program. The company never touches your money at all. We get paid directly by other members. Now, we're using a company called Wise to receive these payments. And Wise is an international payment service, and it's available in most countries. And you can link your bank account and transfer the money directly to your account. If you don't have a Wise account yet, it's free to set up, and it only takes a few minutes. And I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video below to get your Wise account. So, what is the viral $20 Wise Machine? It's a member-to-member system built around visibility and leverage. It's not a cash gifting program or an investment. You're purchasing digital access to a marketing system through 4 one-time payments. All exposure is based on your activity and participation. And of course, there is no guarantee of income. Here's how it works. You send in 4 payments of just $20 to the contributors listed on the main page. That's $80 altogether. Once your payments are verified, your very own referral page goes live. Once your payment is live, your Wise link starts appearing on other people's pages. That's right, your Wise link can appear on hundreds of other pages, not only just your own. That means you can earn even when you're not promoting, right? Because the company has a traffic rotator that's absolutely free. More on that in just a little bit. And the system grows as others share their pages. You'll get paid direct payments of $20 every time someone signs up through your Wise payment link. Let me walk you through how to join. There's just 3 very simple steps. Step 1, click the link in the description of this video to go to my referral page. Step 2, send $20 to each of the 4 people listed, and you'll see my name on top. You will use Wise to do this. Step 3, after your payments are confirmed, you'll fill out a very short form to get your very own referral page, just like this one. And of course, your name will be on top. That's it. Your custom coded page will be live and your link starts rotating into the system automatically. Now, of course, you can also promote the system yourself and make even more of these $20 payments. Here's exactly what you're going to get when you join. Your very own branded referral page, custom coded and hosted for you. Lifetime access to the company's traffic rotator, so your page gets seen again and again. You're going to get email swipes and promotional tools and banner ads, a full step-by-step setup guide, free hosting, and ongoing technical support. No extra costs, no upsells. Everything is built to help you get started making money online fast. Now, if you are an experienced online marketer like I am, as a bonus, the company is going to give you 3 high-converting capture pages and a 30-day follow-up email series absolutely free. And I can show you how to set all that stuff up. It's very easy. Now, if you join through my link below, I'm also going to hook you up with a few bonuses to help you get results even faster and to earn even more of these $20 payments. Now, since this is considered a low-ticket offer, we don't want to spend a lot of money right out of the gate, right? So I put together some of my very best free and low-cost traffic strategies and resources to help you make even more of these $20 payments. So here's what you're going to get from me when you use my link below and join the viral $20 Wise Machine. Well, first of all, you're going to get my top 3 safe lists and viral mailers that I personally recommend. And these platforms are consistently delivering traffic, leads, and even sales. They're really budget friendly and beginner approved. You'll also get 5 free websites to advertise daily, and you'll be able to place ads for free and get thousands of interested people to take a look at your page. You'll get 89 websites where you can advertise your $20 viral Wise Machine page for free. And these classified ad sites will allow you to get free quality traffic to your page. And you'll also get $597 of free ad submission software where you can post ads for free on select classified ad websites on autopilot, hands-free. And for those who want to take this a little step further and integrate the capture pages along with the 30-day follow-up email series, I just recorded a step-by-step over-the-shoulder tutorial that explains exactly how to set up your entire funnel. And that's step-by-step video tutorial. All right, so there you have it. If you have been searching for an easy way to earn online or a system that makes making money online easy, this is the one that I recommend. So click the link below in the description to get started. Send your 4 payments in, unlock your viral page, and start making $20 payments over and over again. Now, this system was built to grow with every share, and your link gets rotated through the system for passive visibility. So put this to work for you right now. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will personally reply. This is Dan Froelke. Thank you for watching.